The singing bowl is a traditional instrument from Tibet, Nepal, and the Himalayan region. When you strike it, the vibrations create a resonance in the air that can have some amazing healing effects on your body. As the only meditation bowl inspired by the Tibetan meditation bowls, ZenBowl is here to help people at different levels around the world find balance and inner peace. It combines 8 essential Hertz bowl sounds, so with just one ZenBowl, you get the benefits of 8 different traditional bowls. Plus, it's easy to carry. Even if you are a beginner, you can start meditating anytime, anywhere. ZenBowl really shakes things up by moving away from the usual player designs. It features a manual mode that mimics the use of ancient meditation tools. You can glide your fingers over it to keep the sound going, feeling the vibrations and frequencies right at your fingertips, which really enhances the meditation experience. We all know digital music can lose some of that original sound quality. ZenBowl has a built-in sound vibration amplifier that lets it resonate with the air based on its sounds, making you feel like you're in a live session. It even boosts those tactile vibrations compared to traditional bowls, giving you a better meditation experience that you just won't find with other players. With ZenBowl, you get easy controls, different tone options, a timer, and manual auto mode. It's perfect for anyone who loves meditation, no matter what level they are. We dedicated to bring the gift of meditation to people everywhere with ZenBowl. Everyone deserves to feel the power of meditation and find balance in body, mind, and soul. Now back ZenBowl, experience the most authentic and immersive meditation experience.